When we talk about mathematical modeling, some idea of model come to our mind. But actually, mathematical modeling is not making models, but it is a relation. It is a plan for the solution of real problem. So I am Pratima. Let us talk about mathematical modeling with some example. So today our topic is mathematical modeling. For diet problems. This is the project. Introduction. The process of constructing mathematical models is called mathematical modeling. A mathematical model is a mathematical relation that describes some real life situation and helps to modeling helps us to solve the problems related to population explosion, spreading of endemic, investment, treating of disease such as cancer, and nutrition. The aim of mathematical modeling is to get some useful information about a real world problem by converting it into a mathematical problem. We solve the mathematical problem and interpret its solution in terms of the real world. After this, after finding the solution, we see to what extent the solution is valid in the context of. So let us discuss the steps of a mathematical formulation of problem, finding the solution, interpreting the result, and last is validation. The specific objective of modeling for this particular case is most of the people in India face health and malnutrition problem. Some of them do not get proper nutrition due to lack of. So a model is given here in the figure. First, in this particular example, we have taken a dietitian problem. That this mathematical model can help a dietitian to combine the diets with vitamins and minerals to manage the sufficient nutrients with a. So other important objective of this modeling is it will create an awareness that with the minimum cost of the nutrition diet, various models are used in mathematical model to solve real life problems. Here we have used linear programming or linear programming problem. Now procedure. Step 1. Step 1 is formulation of the problem. Here we have formulated the problem. It is a diet problem. Now here there are some sub-steps. One is stating the problem, identifying relevant factors, mathematical description. We'll go one by one. So stating the problem. A dietitian wishes to mix two types of foods in such a way that vitamin contents of the mixture contain at least 8 units of vitamin A and 10 units of vitamin C. Food type 1 contains 2 units per kg of vitamin A and 1 unit per kg of vitamin C, whereas food type 2 contains 1 unit per kg of vitamin A and 2 units per kg of vitamin C. It costs rupees 50 per kg to purchase food type 1 and rupees 70 per kg to purchase food type 2. We will formulate this problem as a linear programming problem because we are applying this model here to minimize the cost of such mixture. Identifying the relevant factors. Now we'll go through the problem and we'll find what are the relevant factors here to find the solution. First is amount of food type 1 and amount of food type 2 are not known. They are unknown here. Minimum requirements of vitamin A is given priority. Minimum requirement of vitamin C is also priority. Total costs is to be minimum here. This is the most important thing. We have to find that cost which should be minimum. None of the amount is negative. These are the relevant factors for this particular problem. Now mathematical description of this problem. We will apply knowledge of linear programming for solving this problem. There are two unknown quantities. One is amount of food type 1 and other is food type 2. Let the mixture contain x kg of food type 1 and y kg of food type 2. Both are non-negative. Clearly, x and y both are greater than equal to 0. Now we'll make a table of this given data. First is resources, food type 1, food type 2 and requirement. So vitamin A unit per kg and food type is X. It has 2 units of vitamin A, whereas food type 2 has 1 unit of vitamin A per kg and minimum requirement is 8 unit. And vitamin C for food type 1, it has 1 unit per kg and vitamin C in food type 2 is 2 unit per kg and its requirement is minimum 10 units. And if you see the cost, food type 1 is rupees 50 per kg and type 2 is rupees 70 per kg. And we have to find the minimum cost. So mathematical description. Total cost will be taken as Z for purchasing X kg of food type 1 and Y kg of food type 2 is Z is equal to 50X plus 70Y because per kg of X type is 50 and per kg of Y type is equal to 70. Hence, the mathematical formulation of the problem is minimize Z function is equal to 50x plus 70y. We have to find out. Subject to the constraints, 2x plus y is greater than equal to 8 because minimum 8 should be there. Vitamin C, x plus 2y should be greater than equal to 10. Both are non-negative. Next, we will draw the graph of these constants. We will use graphical method for solving linear programming problem. This is the graph. It is drawn with help of software GeoGebra. Here three equations are given as 2x plus y greater than equal to 8, blue line, and 5x plus x plus 2y is greater than equal to 10, that will be the black one, and in equation is drawn in this way. And x greater than 0, y greater than 0, certainly it is the first quadrant. So as I told, we use GeoGebra. The graph of the system consists of the point common to all half of the plane, determined by the inequalities. The region, therefore, is called the feasible region for the problem. Every point of this region is called the feasible solution. The feasible solution is here unbounded. So we will consider the corner points. Let us evaluate the objective function z at each of the corner point. One is a 10, 0, c it has the coordinates 2, 4, and b has the coordinates 0, 8. Now at b the value of this objective function is 560. Because here x is 0, y is 8, and if we put in this equation 50 into 0 plus 70 into 8. Next we will go for point C. It will be x is 2 and y is 4. It gives minimum 380. And at A, if we will calculate, the value of this function is 500. Now we have to find out which one is minimum. So minimum is at C, where x is 2 and y is 4. So next is step 3, interpretation. From this table we will interpret which one will be the minimum cost. So we find the smallest value of z is at 380 at the point 2, 4. The feasible region is unbounded. Therefore, you have to draw a graph of inequality. 50x plus 70y is less than 380 to turn correct. We draw 5x plus 7y less than 38 to check whether the resulting open half plane has any point common with the feasible region. From the figure, we see that it has no point in common. Thus, minimum value of z is 380 attempts at the point 2, 4. So, interpretation is hence the optimal mixing strategy for the dietitian would be mix 2 kg of food type 1 and 4 kg of food type 2, and with this strategy the minimum cost of the mixture will be rupees 380. Step 4 is validation. Whatever our interpretation, we have to validate it whether it is feasible or not. We can check with any value of x and y in the shaded region and find that the above result is always minimum. Now other application of mathematical modeling. Mathematical models are used to solve many real life situations like manufacturing problem, transportation problem, and many more. So we have taken the reference NCERT textbook class 11 mathematics and NCERT textbook class 12 mathematics. So this is a mathematical modeling idea which is a very new concept, and sometimes people confuse it with a model used in mathematics. So credit of this project goes to Orijita Haldar, class 10, Kendra Vidyalaya, Fort William, and Mrs. myself, Pratima Naik, PGT Maths, Kendra Vidyalaya, Fort William. And it was carried in 2018. Thank you for watching.